So far my most difficult challenge during Shine has been correctly modeling and getting the batteries to discharge correctly, because we found out that the way that these batteries were discharging were not applicable with the machines that we were using to discharge and to model them. So we had to find a way to use the correct batteries at the correct voltage to actually get data that we needed, and we found out that our battery discharger that we are using works very well with the data we need to find.
Use the program SolidWorks to create a shroud so that I could lessen the intrusion on the trunnion and the actuator inside of the wind tunnel, so that the data can become more accurate. So I created this shroud using a 2D aerodynamic shape, which is an airfoil. And I used several different shapes of the airfoil, the thickness and the length and whatnot, to create this shroud. And then afterwards, after I created the shroud, I 3D printed it, and because of the size of the printer, we needed to cut it into 8 pieces so that we could all print it. And this is half of it, and the other half still printing currently. And after that, we're going to do the same process by fiberglassing it. And the purpose of fiberglassing it is to give it more of that structure, so it's more, so it's stronger, so it could last longer in the wind tunnel. And this is, we 3D printed it for a model, so we fiberglass it and then put Bondo on it for like finishing, and yeah.
So after doing this project, I realized that I actually was a really patient person. So for my project, I have to collect data and basically sit in front of this machine for a good hour or two, and basically take data like intervals of 10 seconds. And so it is a really tiring process, but then I feel like I've been patient enough to to the best of my abilities, be able to model all of this data. So yeah, I think patience is what I realized about myself.